Okay, it's February 15th.
Okay.
And we're out in the camper again.
Imagine that.
What has been accomplished the last couple of days?
I don't know where we left off last. Put in all new elevator bolts all the way around to anchor the floor to the frame. There. One here, one there, one here. I left this one in here because it was underneath the hot water heater, and I just don't want to deal with the hot water heater.
I don't blame you.
Debating about this wall. The toilet's a problem. So
Everything about this bathroom has been a problem from day one.
it's been a mess. I mean, it eats up so much space in so many ways,
And it's just inefficient.
the orientation is terrible. I think they're accommodating for the frame, the way the frame is built, but then that offsets the black water tank and where you can put the toilet, and it just, yeah, it's a mess. Anyway, so trying to figure this out and make it more efficient, which I think we got to the point where we said we couldn't. And
Well, we did make a few changes.
We'll make a few changes with the way the door opens and how this wall interfaces and with the rest of this. And then started putting in the waterproofed vinyl plank flooring. It's pretty good stuff. We were talking about either whether we should glue it down or not, and I think I kind of came to the determination there's a lot of other resources online where people have done it and said that it works, to leave it floating and not glue it down.
And that'll be a lot easier and quicker and
quicker and less permanent. It makes sense both ways, but I think it'll end up having more problems if we did glue it down.
Cool. And I think we figured out that we've got enough of it that we're just going to do the whole floor of the trailer in it. We were going to do peel and stick in the bathroom, and
we're right at that breaking point of maybe, but I think we can make up the difference in the front and not have it go all the way underneath, because it just doesn't need to, and then I can finish it off with something else.
Exactly. Today is February 16th. He's mowing the lawn right now. Corey worked all day yesterday getting some of this floor in. I am getting so excited to see how it's all gonna look. It's kind of hard to tell because, well, there's still junk everywhere. I am able to visualize this. Is this not going to be wonderful when it's done? But I think probably very soon this trailer is going to have a floor. Always an adventure.
Always an adventure.